Hi there, it's Gladys and I'm in Vegas staying at the new Park MGM, formerly the Monte Carlo. This is a standard 2-queen bed and it's actually a stay well room as well. So very red. I'm sure that all the rooms are painted differently, but I'm loving the color. Sliding door for the bathroom. It's actually located immediately when you walk in, so let's go in there first. Very brightly lit bathroom, as you can see. Very clean. You can see in a stay well room, you get this vitamin infused water shower head, so that's really neat. That was an upgrade to the stay well. That was really nice of them. So just your standard bathroom, but very brightly lit, which I'm a huge fan of. So here's the front door, and you do have some hanging hooks here. Cute little guys. All right, let's keep going to the rest of the room. Got your 2 queen beds here. Some photographs up on the wall. So the theme of this new hotel is kind of a stay in the park or a visit to the park. So I don't really get that feeling from the room, but it's very modern. And it looks great. I mean, this is a fantastic upgrade from the Monte Carlo, which everything was outdated. It's got your television there, small table and chair. I do like this full-length couch here on the side of the room. We do have a view of the Strip looking out into the MGM Grand. Just a little panoramic of the room. Hope you can come out and check this hotel out. So far so good. When you take the elevators up, it's a super cute lobby area. And let me know what you think in the comments. Bye.